how to make a poll on Facebook. So you can make a poll on both your Facebook profile and also in Facebook groups as well. Now to do this, first go and load up the Facebook app. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. You can then click on the drop down arrow and go and select the page or the profile you want to create this poll on. Now from your profile page, you just need to scroll down to what's on your mind and click on this. You can then scroll down the list of options and you'll see here we can click on poll. So first of all, you need to go and type in the question for your poll, and then you can also add the answers. So I'm just going to go and type out a bunch of different answers like this. You can also add more options by pressing add another option. And then you can just go and fill in all of the information like so. Now, decide whether you want to allow people to select multiple answers. And you can even attach images to the answers as well. Once you're finished, press done in the top right. Now, if you head over to your profile, you'll be able to find your poll and all of the poll results.